Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Hashfi Wali Ramadan, number student 2024 32071. I am from Information System. Here I want explanation of the R code. 1. Basic statistics and one sample t-test. These sections calculate basic statistics and performs a hypothesis test. This first comments calculate the average mean of the durasi variable. Calculate how spread out the data is, standard deviations. This manually calculates the t-statistic to test if the sample mean 4.888 is different from the hypothesized value 5. Use standard deviation 0.222 and sample size 12 in the calculation. Formal one sample t-test that checks if the true mean is different from 5, mu equal 5. Use a two-tailed test alternative equal to site, 55% confidence level for the result. 2. Paired t-test and data visualizations. Compare measurements sesudah or after versus sebelum or before from the same subjects. Paired equal true means these are measurements from the sample people. Test if the average difference is 0 or mu equal 0. Create a plot showing before measurement on x-axis, after measurements on y-axis. Blue dots representing each subject's before after pair. 3. Comparing two methods. Prepares data for comparing. Method A or method A and method B, method B. Stores them in a new data frame. Creates a box plot visualizations. Show distribution of method A is red and method B is blue. Labels axis and gives title perbandingan metode or method comparison. 4. Two types of two sample t-tests. Paired t-test. For when method A and method B were tested on the sample subjects, checks if the average difference is 0. In independent t-test, for when method A and method B were tested on different groups, also checks if the means are different. The test assumptions is t-test assume normally distribute data, small sample size n equal 12 may need normality checking. The study design includes both within subjects or paired and between subjects comparisons, has before, after measurement and method comparisons. The visualizations uses scatter plot for paired data, use box plot to compare distributions. Thank you. Okay, now I want to explain the result of the error code. 1. One sample t-test on hypothesis durasi. The average or mean duration is 4.888. The standard deviation is 0.223. The manual t-test calculation gives t equal minus 1.736. The RT test result t equal minus 1.736. Degrees of freedom equal 11. P-value equal 0.1105. 95% confidence interval 4.7468 to 5.0299. Conclusions: because the p-value greater than 0.05, there is not significant difference between the sample mean and 5. 2. Parity test, hipotesis sesudah versus hipotesis sebelum. The result T equal 10.477, degrees of freedom equal 11, p-value equal 0.000004631. 55% confidence interval 5.793 to 8.874. Main difference 7.333. Conclusions: the p-value is very small, so there is a significant difference between before and after. The after scores are higher. The scatter plot shows the most after values are higher than before. 3. Comparisons of method A and method B. The variable method A equal hypothesis method A, method B equal hypothesis method B. The box plot compares method A and method B. Method A looks higher. And the parity test, T equal 1.942, degrees of freedom equal 11, p-value equal 0.078. 55% confidence interval is minus 0.522 to 8.356. Mean difference equal 3.917. The conclusions is the p-value greater than 0.05, so the difference is not statistically significant even though method A is higher. To sample t-test or WALC, T equal 2.013, degrees of freedom equal 20.812. The p-value equal 0.057. Confidence interval is minus 0.133 to 7.966. Means method A equals 76.75 and the method B equal 72.83. Again, not significant, but the p-value is slightly more than 0.05. Thank you.